see in terms of measuring your efforts and marketing ROI in terms of marketing as well as how marketing is performing. So to address that, the organization can shift their strategy to the customer-centric marketing. Again, this is a definition of customer-centric marketing. Customer-centric marketing is designed around the customer. So this is a paradigm shift against the traditional approach. Organization needs to completely restructure their marketing around customer and not around their products or their catalogs or their portfolio of products. They have to completely align it with the customers and their needs. And again, they have to rely heavily on granular and personal targeting and customer segmentation. So this is the definition, and I will talk more about how details about that and how this could be achieved. On the next slide. Why is it important? Again, I explain you there's a more competition. The consumers are empowered now. They have a lot of channels. They have a lot of alternatives. They do a certain of ways. They talk to various colleagues, and they make a decision about products are good. Again, as I explain you, there is a proliferation in terms of media. I've already explained you new media channels those are available. And this traditional market of mass basis doesn't work anymore. Then commoditization. Offering are increasingly difficult to differentiate, and so it's difficult to have a proposition in terms of uniqueness. So again, low-cost strategy doesn't help you in terms of profitability. It's profitability. Then nowadays, customers are increasingly value their individuality. They're demanding two-way conversation, and their preferences. They value their preferences, and they like the individual message and highly personalized message in terms of marketing. So again, these are some of the benefits. Again, customer-centric approach is a one-to-one approach that helps enterprise respond to their marketing needs and structural challenges. And they need to transform into inclusive and if you do a mass marketing, it's kind of it could be inclusive. But if you shift to the customer-centric marketing, customers are likely to welcome that. So again, these are some of the benefits. Potential to significantly enhance customer loyalty and retention, because you are offering to customers based on their preferences and choice, and not providing offers to them. Then it helps you reduce customer acquisition cost. It helps you increase revenue, support cross-selling. Again, I will elaborate all these benefits as we move on to the later slides. Again, it helps in profitability. Again, better way to handle customers, and it can help you understand the voice of customers. So these are some of the benefits that organization can receive by using the customer-centric approach. Again, this transformation may not happen smooth. The organization who want to adopt for the customer-centric approach has to do the transformation at the organization level, and they need to have this executive level buy-in. The decision has to be made by executive level to transform their marketing strategies from product-based to the customer-centric approach. And again, it needs a commitment from executives. Then one of the key areas is they need to shift into data. Data is extremely important. The organization need to build a data, and they need to get 360 view of the customers. So data, complete data, and the infrastructure around customer data is extremely crucial for making the transition. Organization need to analyze data from a strategic segment of customers, and they need to build their strategies around marketing, around customer and the data, and empower those marketing department to align those segmentation and have strategy around the segmentation. And again, they need to do restructuring around marketing and around various segmentation. And they need to shift the strategy into event-based and behavior-based marketing. So behavior-based marketing helps do segregation of customers based on their behavior as well as their profile. And even event-based marketing can help you return your increase. So certain behavior, they can identify their behavior in terms of what their buying patterns or what their typical behavior patterns are, and if customer change their behavior pattern or they move in terms of their bounds, then it could occur, and those events could be used for making the decisions or making offer to customers. Then again, what organization need to come up with matrices around customers, and they need to measure those matrices and understand those and take action based on those matrices. The matrices could be customer value, their satisfaction, and again, these matrices need to be long-term and not a short-term goals. Now, I'm moving to the Unica product. So we right now discuss a couple of challenges based by Chief Marketing Officers, traditional marketing issues and challenges, and how customer-centered approach can help address some of the challenges. So this is Unica portfolio. So there are 5 key criteria around this customer-centric approach and this unit. First, as I talked about, you need to collect customers' data. You need to collect customer details and build a customer data around it. And you need to analyze those data. You need to have a data mart and data mining around those data. Come up with a